Hello everyone, welcome to Traffic Tube channel. Today is the third video on how to design fast and easy using Canva or the Zazzle Creator Studio. And last video we did the design tool Kiss Me I'm Vaccinated, which is related to St. Patrick Day. The other video, the second one, we did I Am Lucky Mom, which is also related to the St. Patrick Day because it's a really important day and it's after 1 month we can do a lot of designs. And the third video, I'm gonna show you how to do that design on your screen here. Luckiest nurse ever, you can make a lot of variation to that. And let's get started on Zazzle. Okay, so we can close that and then we can do this design. So luckiest nurse ever, and I can show you that everything is here from Zazzle. Everything is for free, you don't have even to log in. Okay, let's do it. So go to Zazzle Create and then start creating, and here we go. Okay, so first of all we're gonna go to the digital, okay, and make a custom size, create a custom size, and go here and uncheck that, and we can do 4500, 5400. You can do whatever you want. Apply. And I told you before, the best thing about Dazzle that you can preview also everything right here. So let's get started. To go and add text and write I am luckiest nurse, sorry, luckiest, and then okay, and another text nurse, and then okay, and another text ever. Okay, so we just put them all over each other. So luckiest nurse ever. And as I was searching in Merch by Amazon and also on Etsy, I saw that there are some fonts that use specifically for St. Patrick Day, which is the handwriting one and very smooth and very inclined. So for the first luckiest, I use Ryan. So let's go for the font that called Ryan. Let's go for the R. Okay. I can go down to just show you how can I usually just go down and check everyone. I just want to show you that it's really a lot of different and beautiful fonts right here. You can even use and you can choose whatever you want. And here we go. The first one I used, which is Ryan, and it's here. Okay, so I used for luckiest, great. And forever I used add lib, and for nurse I used Milani. And the best thing here is that even you can check the fonts like serif fonts, simple fonts, like even distressed fonts. Look, you can have a lot of distressed font. Like, it's very nice and it's even better than Canva, I think. Okay, so yeah, for nurse I used let's go fast in that time, and then we just choose Milani. Okay, and here we go. Yes, and here we have luckiest and nurse and ever, and in the luckiest I will make a very nice small curvature. Okay, like this. It's a little bit, not so much curvature. That's fine. Okay, and for the nurse I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger because I want the nurse to be more obvious than luckiest. Great. And ever at the end. That's very good. And then I will go to elements right here and just write St. Patrick, guys. And you're gonna find a lot of things related to St. Patrick, and everything is for free. I will gonna show you another trick right here. If you, for example, if we choose like this one. Okay, if you choose like this one, so you can just, on this one, you can just ungroup it, and you can use the font, even if you like this font, you know it's Vinta, and you can use this for whatever. You can change the color, the font, the word, and you can use everything alone, guys. So I hope you understand what I mean. So you can just ungroup. It's already made for you on Zazzle Creator Studio, and if you want to go back, just go and make undo. So we will undo everything. I wanted just to show you the trick. Okay, undo, and yeah, we don't need that right now. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna choose some like this flag. I like it so much, so I thought like we can use it. So let's make it a little bit smaller. Put it here on the nurse. Give it a little bit orientation to make it. Oh, sorry. Yes, like that. That's really nice. And I was thinking like, oh, okay, you can also do some filters. So if you didn't like this green, you can make it a little bit more green, like here. Okay, as you can see, it's changed. And I think we can put this one on the green t-shirt. Gonna be so much nice, or maybe white t-shirts. So I think here I make it on like, yeah, I think I'll make it on black t-shirts. So let's stuck for that and do this and go for color white. And here also white, and yeah, the one in the middle we make it like green, or maybe better like this, or maybe, yeah, dark green is better. And for this we can make like copy paste somewhere, take the paste one, and yeah, look, it's also on the same line, and flip it horizontally. That's cool, as you can see. And here we go. We can also use the ever ones that I used. Which one I used? I think I used something like that here. So to give this like shape of the, like, you know, triangle, reverse triangle, so it looks very nice. Like, okay, from like here is very big base and go to like as a triangle like that. And here I will put another, these kind of lucky leaves over here. So I just put like that and make it a little bit smaller. And yeah, put it here. And this I want it a little bit bigger and more down, like that, and in the middle, exactly. Cool. And then we're gonna take the other leaf and then make also copy paste, copy paste. Great. And then take it, I don't know what's happening right now, copy and paste it. Yeah, hope it's fine. Yeah, it's working right now. Great. And then flip it horizontally again. And here we go, guys. I think we just finished Lucky's nurse. We did that like a curve and put here nurse. You can even make another color. I think maybe the brighter is much better because it will suit with that one. Okay, great. And here we go. We did that exactly the same one. Yeah. And if you want to preview that on a t-shirt, you can just go to products right here. Okay, and you can choose whatever you want. Maybe I will choose this lady right here and press here, t-shirts. Okay, perfect. And then we can change the color. You can change whatever you want, and you can even change the size, and you can change the style even, as you can see. If I want this, for example, a hoodie or a sweatshirt, you know what I mean? Yes. And then we can check another color like black. Okay, and then we can make a preview for this lady, and that's cool. We can, I know that it's a little bit down, but we can make it a little bit up, so it's very nice. And as we can see here, it's very nice. And I hope you liked this video, guys. It was a quick video to show you can just use Zazzle, and very quick and very fast, and you can make a professional and very nice and cute designs that can sell. So I hope you liked this video and hope you like this series of videos. This was the third one, and stay tuned for the fourth one. So yeah, if you like this video, just subscribe, guys, hit the like button, smash the like button, subscribe, share, comment down below if you need any help. And yeah, keep me motivated, and just, yeah, subscribe in my channel. Thank you so much, and have a nice day. See you in the next video.